Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer an NLB/ALB configuration with Terraform, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your NLB or ALB configuration with Terraform, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Terraform installed on your machine. Next, set up your working directory by creating a new folder for your Terraform configuration files. Navigate to that folder using your command line interface. Now, initialize a new Terraform project by running the command terraform init in the terminal. Create a new Terraform file, typically named main.tf. In your main.tf file, define the provider you will be using for your cloud environment, such as AWS or Azure. Add the necessary provider configurations, including access credentials and region specifications. Next, import the existing NLB or ALB resources into your Terraform state by using the command terraform import. To do this, specify the resource type and identifier for your load balancer. Once the resources are imported, run Terraform plan to review the current state and see what configuration Terraform recognizes. After reviewing, start defining your NLB or ALB configuration in the main.tf file. Include necessary attributes like listeners, target groups, and health checks based on your original setup. If you have additional configurations like security groups or subnets, make sure to incorporate these as well. After defining all configurations, run Terraform apply to create or update your infrastructure to match the Terraform state. Review the output to ensure your load balancer configuration is correct and functioning as expected. To secure your setup, consider adding version control to your Terraform configuration files by using a Git repository. Finally, document your Terraform configuration and include comments for clarity and future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.